Hey, I'm John Cannell. Today on Preppy Kitchen, we're making peanut butter oatmeal cookies with some special visitors. So let's get started. First off, we're gonna sift out 1.5 cups or 180 grams of all-purpose flour, but for this recipe, I need a special helper. Brian. This is Brian's favorite cookie, and I told him the only way I would make it is if he comes on camera to help me. Come on over.
Okay.
Who did you bring?
Hi.
It's Brian.
And Lachlan.
And Lockie. Are you here to help?
Are you gonna help us? Don't touch the mic.
What's
Here, do you want to go on your stool?
Here, go on your stool so you can help us.
Okay.
What do you want to say? Okay, you're gonna help me make some cookies today. Are you excited?
Are you gonna make my favorite cookies, Lachlan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I have 180 grams in here.
My favorite.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add that in. Good job. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
Put it in the bowl.
No, just in here, in the big bowl. Thank you. And we're gonna sift it out now. Do you wanna help me shake it?
Can you do it? Shake, shake, shake.
Good job.
All right. Good job, Lucky.
Excellent.
Can I mix it now?
You wanna mix it?
You
Here.
can mix it. Wow.
It's okay.
We're making the favorite cookies.
You are
Yeah.
making my favorite cookies.
Are you gonna share cookies? That's so
I'm gonna
nice.
share cookies with you.
And me?
And me? What about me? Oh, thank you.
Into a separate bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup, 226 grams of butter in. Do you wanna add this butter in? Here. I'm gonna get it started. And now you hold the end like that and let it drop. Pick it up. Thank you. Good job.
I'm not cleaning any of this up.
I see. Wait a second. I'm gonna put you to work now. So, that doesn't help
Yeah,
you.
I'm gonna hold it.
I need a napkin.
We want 255 grams or 1 cup of peanut butter.
Pull it out.
That's a yacht of peanut butter.
How much are we supposed to be putting in?
Let me help you out.
I need a napkin because there's peanut
Okay.
butter. What's that spoon for?
Spoon is for eating it. Don't touch that.
He's not at the mixer stage yet.
Yeah. It could go very bad.
My fingers! See, Lucky, what am I doing?
Mixing it.
Mix it, mix, mix, mix. Can you say mix, mix, mix? Okay. We have a delicious concoction of peanut butter and butter in.
Does it smell good?
How does that smell?
Good.
Good. Do you want to add in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar? Good. Do you want to add in 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar? Thank
job.
you. Now I'm going to mix this up until it's nice and combined.
Yes.
This makes a big batch of cookies, which is great because they're really delicious and they have a nice chewy texture.
You know, sometimes some peanut butter cookies
Eggs too.
are really sweet.
Yeah.
These are, I think, not too sweet and they're really chewy, which I love a chewy cookie. John loves like what I consider a burnt, crispy cookie. I like a
dare
nice, cakey, what are you doing? Chewy cookie that's delicious.
Can you say delicious, Lucky?
Delicious. It smells good.
It
That
does.
smells
Are
so
you gonna crack an egg?
good.
Amazing, Grandpa.
Yeah, it's Grandpa peeking.
Do you want to pour a little vanilla in? I'll tell you I'll pour it in until I say stop. So pour it in. Oh, he wants to measure. That's okay.
Oh, I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah, you can put it in. Let's measure over the bowl in case any spills. Okay.
Good
1 teaspoon.
job.
And now 1 more.
Oh,
That's good.
no,
A little extra blessing of vanilla never hurt
that's
anyone.
okay.
How's that smell? Okay. So now 2 eggs. Brian, you have the honors.
What?
You're gonna crack the eggs in.
He's saying this because I don't know how to crack an egg.
I want to try one.
Lachlan's like, let me show you.
Good job. Well,
Well. I'm gonna pick these shells out. Do you want me to help you? You did a good job cracking.
Just pull it apart like. Good job, Papa.
Thank you. Do you want to do one now?
I want.
Alright, I really don't know how to crack an egg.
So wait, Lachlan,
Here,
this
let
Dada's
me
turn. Here you go. Dada's gonna try. Now open it up over the bowl. Ah,
I want one too.
good job.
I want one too.
Already washed
We're
it.
gonna mix it up now. Do you want to hold the mixture a little bit like this?
I'm gonna miss it.
No, you're mixing it.
Making me nervous. Good job, Lucky. We'll just watch.
Watching is fun. La 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 la.
Hi, Ellie.
Does it smell good? Are you excited? Don't put your face in it. That was not the right question to ask. But
Smells delicious. Okay, we're gonna scrape the bowl down once.
Can I do it now?
Yeah, you can scrape the bowl down. Here, just scrape the bowl down like this. Scrape, scrape, scrape.
Can I do it?
The nice thing about using a hand mixer is that you actually don't have to scrape the bowl down as much.
just push on this.
Spread it out.
Is that supposed to be like that?
No, so that's like, we found one streak of peanut butter. Thank you. And now I'm gonna mix it in.
Don't mess my yarn. Papa, don't mess my yarn.
Oh, the peanut butter had to get mixed.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Do you want to help me
mix it
dump
in.
the flour in?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 hands, carefully add it in.
It's making me very nervous.
This is like all of Brian's nervous triggers.
Well, you're so messy. I'm like one of those clean as you go kind of people, and John's just like, ah, whatever.
So we're gonna mix this in a little bit just to get it started so it doesn't make a mess.
Now, can I mix it now?
And then we're gonna use the mixer to mix this a little bit. Do you want to help me use the mixer?
Yeah.
So use your free hand, hold the mixer, and then we're gonna turn it on and mix on low, just like that. And we wanna mix this until it's almost combined because there's one amazing ingredient, which is what? What's left over? Look over there.
What are these?
Nuts.
What else might they be? Oats.
Oh,
That's
you
right.
got it. Do you wanna add the oats in?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay, here.
I'll do.
Right, do
Lucky's
careful.
gonna do it.
Good job. Get them on there.
All the oats. Yay!
Not I'm use a mixer.
Oh, is that what's gonna happen? Okay, you can hold it. I'm gonna turn it on. So mix on low, just like this. And we're gonna work these oats in, and in doing this, all the rest of the flour will get used up too. This part's actually easier with a stand mixer. Okay,
All done with the cookie dough.
we're gonna finish this up in a minute. Okay,
Bye, Ellie.
Bye.
okay, that was fun. I love having the kids help in the kitchen, and they've gotten older, so now they can actually do a lot of work. Can I tell you, the other day, Lachlan helped me make a pavlova, and George helped me make some chocolate tarts, and it was the cutest thing ever. Let's get some cookie sheets out and scoop them up. Scoop these up like 2 teaspoon-sized clumps, 2 tablespoon-sized clumps, and give them some room to spread. There's no chill time for these cookies. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of Brian and the kids in the videos. I love having help in the kitchen, and it's what I grew up doing. I was always with my mom, cooking things up, and it's the most fun thing ever. These are gonna bake in the oven 350, and you have an option. 12 minutes for a little gooier, a little bit of extra time for that crisper cookie. Then you go. My cookies are out of the oven, and it's time for someone to come test them. Boys, do you want some cookies?
Yeah.
I'm shocked. Hi. What is that?
We made cookies. Lachlan made some cookies for you.
Lachlan helped make cookies for you. Do you want to try one?
Yum.
Dada, do you want to try one?
I do want to try one.
All right. If you like this recipe, check out my cookie playlist. How does it taste?
That's yours.
If you like my videos, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna taste with one more cookie.
Oh, one more cookie.
Oh,
Okay.
one more?
Just two cookies. Here, Dada will take
Let's
them.
take all the cookies. Come on, boys.
Okay. Bye. Oh, well, let's eat this crumb.
You eat two